What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Quick one today. I'm just going to show you guys how to change a number plate light bulbs on the E61. I'm actually going to put LEDs in, so I'll drop a link down below where you can find them. I think about 2011 onwards they put them onto E90s and things. But yeah, done it on the 520D LCI, along with the LED light interior video. And yeah, so I thought I'd show you guys how to do it on the older one. Yeah, just really to make the car look more modern. It's nice and easy, so let's do it. Right, so we're going to be changing this for this today on the number plate. So all we need to do is lift the boot up like so, pop these down, and then if you need to replace one of these, it's the same procedure as if you were going to retrofit an LED bulb, but just pop the screwdriver into here and then a push and pull back, and you'll see that it releases, and then all you need to do is just flick it out like this and bring it around. Okay, so now you're going to have this in place of this. So this is just sits like that. You just need to pull it out by releasing these little tabs and then popping this one back in. Now I'll show you on this little bit here can be bent out over time, so what you can do is push it in that way and it gives it a bit more tension when this bulb goes back in. Once you've done that, make sure it's facing downwards towards the glass or the plastic opening, so then the light shines downwards, and then it's a simple case of just doing the opposite. So make sure it's that way around, slide it into place, put this side in first and then push upwards like so, and that's it. That's a nice easy LED upgrade for your number plate there. There you go guys, so nice and quick for you there. Hope it was nice and clear for you guys. I'll drop a little picture right now. This is what the car looks like in the dark, so you can see just how sort of bright it is and how much better it looks. And yeah, nice and simple, nice and cheap. Do it by all means guys. You know, it's worth it really. As always guys, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a lovely week, take it easy, cheers.